2m comma m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are the Pythagorean triplets. What are Pythagorean triplets? It means which obey Pythagoras rule, that is 3 4 5 or 6 8 10 or 7 24 25. All these Pythagoras means s1 square plus s2 square equals to hypotenuse square in case of right angle triangle. Okay, so what is the question is 2m, and the Pythagorean, these numbers are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So let's see, take any natural number. So take 2. So 2 into m is 4, m square minus 1 is 3 and m square plus 1 is 5. This is 2. Take m equals to 3, then take m equals to 3, you will get 6, 8, 10. Take m equals to 4, you will get 8, 15, 17. All these are Pythagorean triplets. So 8 square plus 15 square equals to 17 square. Similarly, you go on up to infinity, you will get the same answers. So this is true. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you will learn them within 3 months. Remember, any competitive exam in future, you need these squares, cubes and tables up to 30. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.